Summer is in full swing, and with it, yard care is likely on your to-do list. Let's say you went and bought a lawnmower, put gas in it, started cutting your yard. It works great. The yard looks nice and tidy, and the new mower runs like a dream. The end of the season comes and you're actually ecstatic when mowing season is over because you now have a few more hours to do other things so you actually put the mower up. The next mowing season rolls around and the mower just doesn't seem to work as well. It doesn't cut well, it makes terrible noises, and it is a pain to start. You take it to the repair shop and say, it happened all of a sudden. I didn't do anything different this season than I did last season. Why is this just now a problem? Some questions that might follow. Did you change the oil? Did you put new gas in it? It actually will go bad, by the way. Have the blades been sharpened? Did you leave it out in the weather? In other words, was the proper maintenance done on that lawnmower? Hello, I'm Dr. Liana Call-Smith. I'm a chiropractor and clinical nutritionist, and not a small engine mechanic. A body needs proper maintenance as well. I often hear the exact same phrases, but I didn't do anything different. It happened all of a sudden, and why is it just now a problem? The analogy I mentioned with the lawnmower is a nice illustration that most people can relate to. Our bodies need regular maintenance to keep us running properly too. Here are some things to include for regular body maintenance. Put real food in your body that your body runs well on. Hint, not everyone runs well on all the, quote, good foods out there. Drink clean water. Filtering city water is recommended because of chemical treatments that ensure our water is not contaminated with organisms. Just like removing the packaging from your lettuce, remove the chemicals before drinking. I even recommend filtering well water since many people that are on wells have farm areas around and you don't know what they've put onto the fields, which can contaminate your groundwater. Get moving. You don't even have to use the E word. Find something you enjoy doing, biking, walking, swimming, dancing. You were made to move daily. Fresh air. Get outside more. We have been told to stay out of the sun so much that we have an epidemic level of vitamin D deficiency in the United States. We need sunshine for healthy bodies. Avoid getting burned by using cotton clothing, hats, and don't rely so much on chemical sunscreens. These actually block the rays you need for vitamin D formation. Eating real foods will also give you natural protection from burns. If you are still concerned, some nutritional supplements can also help. Adjustments. A well-adjusted spine allows for a well-functioning nervous system, and your nervous system controls everything else. Not all chiropractors are the same. Find one that you feel comfortable with and go while problems are still small and manageable. Nutrition assessments. Your nutrition needs change over time. Our need for certain minerals increases with stress, and a nutrition testing analysis can help you find what your body is craving for good health. Rest. Your body needs time to rest and recover. Set aside an average of between 8 to 9 hours for sleep. You may actually need more than you're giving yourself right now. And last, but certainly not least, don't forget to take care of your spiritual health as well. I hope I was able to give you inspiration on how to take care of your body. A little work now will pay off big time later. What do you need to do to help maintain your body? Let me know in the comments. While you're there, let me know if you have any particular topics you want me to talk about. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and share it with someone you think may need to hear this. If you find this type of information valuable and wish to subscribe, do so. See you next Tuesday and have an amazing week.